Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing video. These are two pendant lights. Here's the manual instructions. Very simple. It's only one page, like this. And we have a pair of gloves here. Some pieces for the installation. It comes with all you need. Comes also with this little tool. And here we have the part that goes with the light. I'm gonna show you one of these. You can see it's very pretty. Has a little design there. So that's all. We're gonna now install it.
The assembly process is actually really simple, it doesn't take that much long, and you can select which height you want to use the pendant lights with, which I think it's a really nice function. They are a warm white color, which I think it's nice, perfect for any place that you want to place them.
Okay guys, so now the pendant lights are now installed. They're very beautiful. I'm gonna turn on the light. So as you can see, it's a color yellow for a more warmer environment. It's a beautiful design, as you can see. It's beautiful for your home. I really recommend this product. See you guys.